The thing that I love most of Sutton District High School is just like the fact that you know every single person.
It's comforting to walk in here and be like, oh, I can just be however I want to.
We are at Sutton District High School today. We're doing our grade 8 course electives.
We are going to different classes and trying them out.
Just to kind of get them acclimated to the building and also to the staff here.
So they're building those connections before they even get here, which is amazing.
They have mixed emotions about coming to high school. They are a little bit nervous about coming.
Oh, where am I going to find my class? Like, where am I going to find the bathroom? Like, who's going to be in my class? Is this going to be hard? I don't know what about exams. So this is a really good way for them to kind of get like a full sort of immersive experience about all of those questions and all of those fears and alleviate a little bit of that nervousness.
There's a lot of hands-on things that they really respond well to, and I think that they're going to be psyched to come.
This would definitely help because a lot of grade 8s are nervous.
I'll be coming to Sutton District High School and be in grade 9 and hopefully take dance and exploring tech as my electives.
We looked at all of the amazing fun things we have here at Sutton District High School and built some great workshops in our auto shop, our cheerleading squad, our hair and aesthetics classroom and art, our cafeteria, wood shop, our music room, and our healthcare room.
I just left hospitality, where they made cookies, and auto shop. They learned how to take a tire off a rim.
I did dance and cosmetology.
Wood shop, auto shop, and CAF.
So far it's been great. I think it's going to ease a lot of their anxieties about coming here and getting the layout of the building and kind of what is expected of them while they're here.
I really want them to be excited about coming here and feeling like this is their place too.
Before I was a little nervous about not knowing what my classes were, but now it's pretty easy because you know what each chart is.
My favorite was CAF because we got cookies. We got to make cookies with different ingredients, and we chose a friend that we could do it with.
We got to work with people that are actually on the dance team and the actual dance teachers that we could be working with next year.
Before today, I thought it was going to be fun, and now I know it's going to be fun just because we get to do more things hands-on.
I think we're all pretty excited. We're all looking forward to next year.
It's actually really fun being in high school. It's very different because now we're allowed to go out for lunch and we have a lot more freedom. Everybody's more mature. So when you're in school with kindergartners, it kind of feels different. But now that you're here and you're the youngest people, it's cool because then you get new role models when you were the role model for everybody.
Sutton High's culture of care is phenomenal. The teachers and the staff in general here are always looking out for their students first and foremost, and we'll always go ahead and go the extra mile if we can in any way, shape or form to help the kids with whatever they may be having challenges with.
Most of our teachers grew up here and now teach here.
Our arts and our trades at this school are thriving, and we have some really great classrooms and some phenomenal teachers that are in there getting kids hands-on experience and really looking at what are the trades pathways for our students.
There's a lot of freedom. If you talk to a teacher and you're I want to do this around the school, they'll find a way to help make it happen.
We have these amazing athletes, and then we have these amazing artists and these amazing musicians. So I feel we're really fortunate because we get a multifaceted student.
We are a small group of students, so we get a lot of personal attention and one-to-one time with our teachers.
Everybody's friendly. Even people who are new here, they always find somebody.
Before coming to Sutton, I wasn't much of a social person, so over the time you progress and I become closer to other people. Friends, close friend, he's one of them.
Georgina Island is a huge part of our community. It always has been. The island community has brought First Nations culture to the forefront at our school.
First and foremost, hosting the powwow here is fantastic, and I think that it helps to educate the community and just bring awareness to indigenous culture.
We are all open to learn continually about all things from the island, and we appreciate the relationship that we have with them.
My advice for someone coming to DHS next year would be not to be scared. Don't be afraid to ask for help on the first day.
Join as much as you can. Get involved in everything. You'll find yourself somewhere.
We have a great small town setting with some amazing natural space around us.
People are really kind, and it makes me happy to be part of something and somewhere that is full of kindness.
Sutton gave me so many opportunities, and they gave me lots of leeway to make my own decisions.
I think that students leave this building knowing that an adult cares about them. So I think that they just take away like a sense of security.
Our ability to connect with kids and work with groups of students is really the best part about Sutton.
I'm honestly super proud to come to Sutton.
It's a great place to live, it's a great place to work, and I'm very proud of our school.
We have a great community.